I'm going to start with this guy because I'm most excited for this. Got some yes. Very nice. Very nice. So this here, I guess, is a track that I'm supposed to ride in. And it's got these little set screws. You can snug the plane up real nice. There's no play at all. I think what we're going to do today is we're going to build a donkey's ear shooting board for wide mitres. Can't forget the best part. PMV11 blade, low angle jack. Well, same one that's in the low angle jack goes in this one. So the idea behind a donkey's ear shooting board, specifically with this, is the blade will sit in here on an angle, and then sits in this track like so. You snug this up with the set screws that are here and here, so then there's, like, you know, no movement in here at all. And then we have this hitting it on an angle, and then the board comes down on like this, and then your piece sits in here like this. So the blade is slicing it at all different spots on the blade rather than hitting the whole surface of the wood at once. So never used one, gonna build one today, see how it is. Yeah, so I was going to strip some taper pieces out of this plywood here, but I don't think I can. What I do have is this piece of Ipe. Really beautiful straight grain on it. So I figure, you know what? Screw it. I'm just going to use it. Not going to work. So I'm going to run, it's going to be 3/4 of an inch on this side. And same here. Man, this stuff is hard. Didn't seem to have any trouble cutting it though, but I don't imagine it's that great on the blades. But anyways, got a mark here, 3/4, same opposing ends, opposite sides. Turner's tape, Lee Valley, this stuff's unreal. All right, a couple passes on the jointer. We're in good shape. Nice and flush and square. Well, they're not square, but they're, you know, tapered. I took this and resawed it. Ipe, it's extremely hard wood. I think it took me a good 8 or 9 minutes just to get through this on my little bandsaw. I think I need more clamps. Alright, making a little progress here. Got some pieces cut out. Got this glued up. Got to drill some holes, got to mount, and make a little fence right here. Keep plugging away. Alright, some assembly complete. I've got this this guy glued up. Not in place yet. This is still sitting here, but give this a little sand and get the rest of it mounted on there. It's coming together. Alright, well after 15 hours of sanding, I think we're ready. If you could just feel this. Unbelievable. Completely unnecessary. All right, so everything's together. I got the Odie's on there. I'm gonna give it a quick little buff. Shine it up even more. Take the last little bit of the oil off. It's a nice finish on one side. This is a birch Pro Ply. So it's got a plywood core, but then it's got an 1/8 inch MDF top and bottom. So you get that flatness of the MDF, but the strength of the plywood in the middle for whatever you're screwing in there. Alright, it's all together now. All that I've got left to do for this guy is just mount a catch on it. So I think I don't know if I'm going to do it square, straight on, or if I maybe find it more comfortable to, you know, shoot it on a bit of an angle. We'll see. Okay, these are going to be the first few passes. I think I've got this all set up right. Actually, let's see if I can angle this around here. So all I'm going to do is start working this in, and every time I shoot it, I'm going to twist these in a little bit more, basically until this is tight with this edge here. And yeah, so let's see what happens here. I think I gotta just raise this a bit. Okay, so this side's got to go in. Yeah, that's the ticket there. Took off ever so slightly there. Well, I think I got it. I got it. So now this slides in here, no problem. Very little friction. It rides right tight. No, just gotta build something now. See if I can test it here. Piece of hard maple. Big bite. Almost there. Look at that. Now, the real test, checking it. Oh, I think it's bang on. Other than I didn't quite finish it.